In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to fix Shopify theme code issues. If you're dealing with a broken section in your Shopify store, a layout problem, or an error message that appears in your theme, this process can help you troubleshoot it in a much more efficient way. The goal here is not just to paste code somewhere and hope for the best, but to understand what's wrong, get a clear explanation of the fix, and then safely apply it. Start by opening your Shopify theme code, or whichever code section is causing the issue. You want to go directly to the file where the error is happening, whether that's in a section, snippet, template, or another part of the theme. Take a moment to identify the exact area that looks broken so you're working with the right code. Next, copy the error message if one appears, or copy the specific code snippet that seems to be causing the problem. This is important because the more precise the information is, the easier it will be for ChatGPT to help you. If possible, only include the relevant part of the code instead of an entire file, especially if the issue is isolated to one section. Then open ChatGPT and explain what the code is supposed to do. Give a simple description of the intended behavior so the issue has context. For example, mention whether the code should display a product section, update a cart element, or show dynamic content on the page. That context makes a big difference in the quality of the response. After that, paste in the code and ask ChatGPT to find the problem. Be clear that you want help identifying what's broken and why it may not be working. Once ChatGPT responds, ask it to explain the fix before you apply anything. This step is especially helpful because it lets you review the reasoning first instead of blindly replacing code. It also helps you catch suggestions that may not fit your theme exactly. Before making any changes, create a backup of your Shopify theme. This is a critical safety step. If something goes wrong, you'll be able to restore the previous version without losing your work. Once you've backed everything up, paste the corrected code into Shopify in the appropriate location. Make sure you're replacing or updating the correct section and not changing unrelated code by accident. Finally, test the page and confirm that the issue is fixed. Reload the affected page, check the functionality, and make sure the design and behavior now work as expected. If everything looks good, then your fix is complete.